and I would say this is the best 2x5 Cinewhoop in 2021. Hey guys, welcome back to RC. Thank you everyone for helping us to reach over 700 subscribers now. If you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button now. And so we have a new product here sent by Banggood, and this is a URUAV Flipo F95. Right, so this is a 2.5 inch Cinewhoop by URUAV. And let's take a look inside this Cinewhoop at 2.5 inch size. And so we got extra fans by Germfan. These are the Germfan D63 2.5 inch propeller. Battery strap, cable tie. I think it's for the battery. Some screws, I think for the motor, and our main character here. Right, so from a photo it looks really good though, and the actual item is very nice as well because of the color combo of yellow and black. And the shroud is actually soft, which I think is a good news, so you can absorb some impact at the crash. I'm happy that it comes with FrSky XM Plus receiver, and that's the only choice that you have from Banggood. Camera is a Runcam Nano 2200 TVL FPV camera, no recording. This is the live feed, and I like that this is a very simple, straightforward 2.5 inch Cinewhoop that you can just plug a battery and buy and fly. Motor is a 1106 4500 kV by URUAV as well. Onboard ESC 4-in-1 20M ESC with BL Heli that supports 2 to 4 cells. And the recommended battery, which is not included, is a 4-cell 450mAh. I don't have one, so I'm going to try with a 4-cell 850mAh, which I think it would fly as well. At a 4S450M, they claim to be able to fly 4 minutes, so maybe 850 will be able to fly, for example, 6 minutes, not 8 minutes because it's much heavier. FC is a F4 OSD flight controller AOI 20M ESC. VTX is an XF F805 with 2500 and 300mAh setting. And that is a Flipo F95 antenna, and looks like a lollipop, which is my favorite. So even their parts they gave you here is it's a soft one. I think they're TPU, and why is it slanted that way is because when you are flying forward, this becomes straight. This mount here given is also for a naked GoPro. The product description also mentioned that this support Cadix Restar HD system. This one is more like, they call it a pusher style. In this way, it definitely looks much better, nicer compared to the traditional way of designing a quadcopter, a drone. Comes with XT30 connector, which I'll change it over to XT60 as my 4S 850 they're using XT60. Well, there's also indicator light at the back, so really great touch. Well, they should put a cover, a very soft cover to cover up your microSD port, right? And this is soft as well. Yeah, it looks like you land on these 4 poles over here. They are lower than the frame itself, so that's really nice rather than landing hard on your shroud. You just land over here, and it's soft. So I think they have tested the strength, the stiffness before. Really great touch though. I think this will be a good Cinewhoop, really well thought out everywhere. The center frame is carbon. It looks like a 2 to 3mm thickness. To be honest, it's not that stiff, as you can actually bend it. I'm not sure whether you can see it on camera or not, but I think it's sufficient for a 2.5 inch Cinewhoop, as you don't fly this very hard. You basically fly very smoothly with this kind of drone and do close proximity kind of shot. So less talking and get flying. Well, just let you have a look at my final setup, and oh my god, I've flown it and this is super nice. The PID setting is just spot on. It's very locked in feeling, very confident flying it, and the video signal is fantastic, man. Same thing, gives you a huge confidence in flying it. I think I set it at 300mW power for the VTX. Superb, man. This is highly recommended, and even then I'm only using just Mobius. So of course there is some jello because this is rather old technology, and it flies really very well with enough of power, even at 4-cell 850mAh battery. And I would say this is the best 2x5 Cinewhoop in 2021. You won't regret getting one. Fantastic, man. This is the best, most satisfying Cinewhoop I've ever flown.